How to trade at Trustwallet app. Open your Trustwallet app. Scroll down and click on the arrow tab at the bottom. It will prompt you to this page. We will trade TWT here to BNB. To trade, you need to have balance from your BNB wallet in order to pay for the transaction and for your trade to go through. Type the exact amount of TWT that you would like to sell. Then click on the sell button. After you have clicked on the sell button, it will prompt you here and you will notice that my TWT balance has already been deducted with 50 TWT. You can go back to your main dashboard and you can see there that the BNB that we have traded was already added to your BNB wallet. Trustwallet app is a multi-crypto coin wallet where you can store your crypto assets safely. Within the Trustwallet app, you can do a lot of things. You can interact with Uniswap, PancakeSwap and any other DeFi coins and you can trade as well. They also have created their own TWT coin which I believe it will rise in the future. That's all. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell button. That would be greatly appreciated.